we're making delicious baby back ribs in our Instant Pot using the pressure cook and air fryer functions. Okay, we got our rub on there really good. Cup and a half of water here. Liquid smoke in there, mesquite, to give it a little more flavor. And you can put your pressure cooker lid on. Okay, the Instant Pot's done pressure cooking. Let's see if we can get them out of there. Barbecue sauce, and put that on the outside there. Now let's go ahead and set up our air fryer. Now we're just going to put our air fryer lid on. Well, our rack of baby back ribs will be done in 5 seconds. Wow, they look beautiful. These are so tender. Yeah, I'm just going to have a little bite. Yep. Oh yeah, does that come right off the bone? Now you can't beat that right there. Boy, is that tasty. Yep, comes right off the bone.